Lawyers are among the highest paid professionals in the legal industry, and most attorneys earn salaries well above the national average. The maiden annual salary for all lawyers was $120,910 in 2018, according to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics. But the world's top attorneys can pull in $1 million annual income. A career as a lawyer has been a hallmark of prestige for generations. Impressive degrees and a certain authority over others have placed lawyers in an elite circle of professionals who command respect and embody the definition of success. Lawyers enjoy a unique professional status and an often glamorous image perpetuated by the media. Lawyers are in a unique position to help individuals, groups, and organizations with their legal problems and to further the public good. Like anywhere else in the world, the demand for legal service continues in the United States, and its increase or decrease may depend on prevailing economic factors. Despite the high level of competition in the legal market, there is also an increasing number of law students waiting to enter the market. In such a dynamic environment, it is important that you decide your future career option in the US carefully before deciding to study law. Typically, lawyers in the USA hold profiles ranging from defense attorneys, government counsels, corporate counsels, also known as in-house counsels, to legal aid lawyers. Lawyers can specialize in a particular area such as environmental law, tax law, intellectual property law, family law, security lawyers, etc. Apart from this, they can also consider becoming arbitrators, mediators, conciliators. If eligible, they may become judges or hearing officers where they apply the law by overseeing the legal process in court. However, in this video, I will provide you a step-by-step guide to become a lawyer in the United States of America. There are 4 main steps to become a lawyer in the US. Step 1. Complete a bachelor degree. You generally can't practice law unless you have a law degree from a law school. To eligible to apply to a law school, you must have a bachelor degree from a 4-year college or university. You may choose from several subjects to help you prepare for law school. It is advised that the course in English, history, political science, and economics can be completed within a variety of measures and can give students an idea of what are law and what they want to pursue. However, it is very much important that you perform well in your undergrad degree to gain entry in the right law school. Maintaining a high CGP will improve your chances of getting into a good law school and potentially qualify you for scholarship money. Most law schools require a CGP of at least 3 to qualify for admission. Step 2. Appearing for the Lsat exam. The law school admission test, Lsat, is an exam that you must take before entering law school. This is one of several factors that law school will take into consideration before assessing applicants. Questions on the exam cover reading comprehension, analytical reasoning, logical reasoning. The law school admission test, Lsat, is a half-day standardized test. All law schools accredited by American Bar Association (ABA) have this test as an admission requirement. The test is offered in June, October, and December. Step 3. Enrolling into law school. Lawyers are required to earn a Juris Doctor (JD) degree from a law school accredited by American Bar Association. Students are shortlisted based on several criteria, including CGPA, Lsat score, statement of reason, etc. General requirement for application. As mentioned above, you will need to have a bachelor degree or its equivalent 4-year university degree in any subject. Then register for the Law School Data Assembly Service (LSDAS). Submit your Lsat score, recommendation letter, TOEFL score if English is not your native language, or financial documents showing proof of fund. It is advised that during law school you invest time in considering your future options and building your CV. Participate in co-curricular activities such as moot court competition, debate, and keep an eye out for holiday internship opportunities that are advised. Step 4. Setting for bar exam. Bar exams are considered as the toughest form of exam in the United States. Each state requires law graduates to pass the bar exam in order to practice law. While each state may offer their own exam, some states have adopted the uniform bar exam, which allows lawyers to practice in any other state that also accept this exam. The exam is prepared by the National Conference of Bar Examiners and composed of questions from multi-state essay examination, multi-state bar examination, multi-state performance test. Some state may allow students to take the bar exam before they graduate law school. Pass rate of bar exams are approximately 60%. To get help with exam preparation, students enroll in bar review course which assist them in reviewing substantive law, drafting, test and training in multiple choice questions. As a lawyer, you have to be very honest and trustable person. Bar application requires to give your fingerprints for criminal background check, which can take several weeks to complete. The criteria for eligibility to bar examinations or to qualify for bar admission are set by each state's bar association. After passing the bar examination, you are now officially allowed to practice law in the state. You may now apply to a law firm, work there for several years to learn the business, gather some experience, you may work in various companies as a legal advisor or start your very own law firm. Becoming a lawyer in the United States is one of the most toughest job. It's a 7 to 8 years preparation. First of all, you have to complete your undergrad degree. You need a good score, a good CGPA there. And you have to prepare for Lsat exam, and you need a very good Lsat score to get admitted in a very good law school. So you need good CGPA in your undergrad, which is a 4-year journey, and you need to prepare for Lsat exam. Then you need to admit in a law school for a Juris Doctor degree, that's another 3 years. And then you have to prepare for bar exam, that is the toughest exam in the United States. So it's I think 7, 8 or maybe it can take 9 years. It's a long journey to become a lawyer in the United States. I hope in this video you have got an overall idea of becoming a lawyer in the USA. That's all for today. Make sure you stay tuned. If you are new to my channel and watching me for the very first time, please consider subscribing so that you can get future content and don't miss out them. And if you already subscribed, thank you very much. I really appreciate that.